Hey guys, it's Jordan. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you could fix GeForce Experience in-game overlay. So here, this button, if you click this, sometimes it might not work. It'll say error, and if you go here in the account, you go to general and you try turning it on here, it'll say an error as a core, try restarting. So tried many different methods, and this is the method that worked for me. So there's a quick fix to this. So what you want to do is you want to go to Control Panel. You want to go to Programs and Features, and then you're gonna scroll down to where you see this Microsoft Visual 2015 to 2019, and it should be x64. Sometimes it's x86, but if it says the 2015 to 2019, that's the file. You choose it, you double click it, you click yes. It'll say modify setup. What you want to do now is click repair, and what you will notice is that during this repair process it will show you uh, error, uh in File Explorer it'll show you that it wants this specific folder, and that is the here, let me get it here. uh it is called the vsync R disk x64. So this is a file that's missing, which is why it's not working. So what you want to do is you want to go and search out Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable looking for VC Redis. I will put this in the in the description so you can copy and paste. And you're going to go the latest supported Visual C++ downloads. And now you're going to download either this one or this one, depending on what the folder that it was looking for says. If it says Redis x64, you're gonna download this. If it says Redis x86, you're gonna download that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click it, then you're gonna open it in downloads, then it'll download, and then what you want to go back to is you want to go back to here again, click it, and you'll see the repair sign like you said before, like I showed you guys before. And then once it repairs, you should restart your computer, and then now in-game overlay will work. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if this seems to not work for you, there's many different ways that you could try to fix this. You can either reinstall GeForce Experience, make sure your drivers are updated by going to home, and it'll show you drivers, and you could check for updates and make sure you have the latest version. If you don't, click Express Installation. Another method you could try doing is restarting your computer. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.